This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 2500. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to an automatic transmission, is well suited on the job and on the town. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including cruise control, power windows, a CD player, 3-point rear seat belts, interval windshield wipers, and it's easy to see why this vehicle is an excellent choice. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.